Yo, gang vibes. Nah. I probably shouldn't start a YouTube video with that. Gang vibes. We just gonna pretend that I didn't before YouTube edits me before YouTube mutes me before I even started. By the way, this is my third YouTube video, maybe my fourth. I don't know. I'm not editing. I'm sorry. I'm just not. I know you expecting cruise zip. I can't do it. I feel as if I'm a talkative person. That works. People that edit don't have room to talk with in between the gaps. I just don't do it. If you mess up, you mess up. Who cares? Just do it. I don't care. But hi, how are you doing? My name is Corey. It's nice to meet you once again. I'm tired. I'm not gonna lie. And it's like 10, 12, 2, it's 11 o'clock at night. It's 11 o'clock at night. It's 11 p.m. over that little email. It's basically 11 p.m. My name is Corey. It's nice to meet you. I'm an entrepreneur, and an entrepreneur just basically means I'm broke. Not exactly, but we'll say that. I teach people how to make money. While also having fun. I just want you guys to vibe. So like, if you guys want to vibe, just like put me on TV or put me on a phone. I don't care. Set me up, because this is gonna be fun either way. Get a cup of hot cocoa, I suggest, because this will be a cool conversation between you and me about how to make money. And for those who need advice, like mental wise, and just trying to get through the day, that's just like really my whole thing with helping you guys. I just want to help you guys do this whole thing. Now, there are rules to this. Rule number one. Be listening. That is full bottle. And or have a pencil and piece of paper. Because I promise you, y'all are going to hear me say something and y'all are going to be like, wait, go back. I promise you. Y'all be sitting on a couple of these. Wait, go back. I promise you. If you think actually, let's make sure this is still recording. If you think I'm playing, I'm really not playing. I'm very serious. I be giving bars out. Let's start with my first little small bar. It seems like nothing until you actually start making money and actually realizing this is not like a get-rich-quick scheme, but this works. So, step one of how to make money. I've talked about this in the last video over and over. I am a big believer in garage sailing, guys. I'm so serious. This is the first start. If you just want to start off, I have literally made $1,000 in a month. It's a month, and it's not impressive. But for someone who has nothing, I see it as impressive. I don't care. Or started with nothing, or it's starting with basically nothing. I see it as impressive because I've been watching all these YouTube videos, and they always say you don't need money to make money, and that is true. That is true. But guys, it is so much easier if you have money. Y'all need to find a way of some sort of income, some sort of way, somehow, guys. If you have a job, good for you. Now you gotta stop being wimpy enough. 9 times out of 10, if you got a job, you probably got a life and bills to pay. But if you don't got bills to pay, then you got money, then that's good. Just try not to spend it. Because the stuff that I'm going to tell you to invest in and spend money on is going to be far more impressive. Trust me. Now, the people that have nothing, no job to their name, no resume, no all of this other stuff, and really don't care, and we're on this whole entrepreneur journey. And trying to figure out how to get funding for whatever they're doing. I'm a big believer in garage sailing. I'm just going to make it very quick, simple, and whatever. I run my own social media marketing agency, and I personally couldn't really get that off the ground until I started putting out ads. And ads take money, like proper ads. I didn't get my first client until you spent like $100 in ads. I don't even know why I did that, but like until I spent basically my point is you kind of need money to make money. You don't need it, but it's very much helpful for whatever business that you're doing. I'm a firm believer in garage selling. What garage selling is, you're gonna go on Craigslist, you're gonna go on the free section, or you're gonna go on Facebook. You're gonna go on the free section. You're gonna go on Let Go. You're gonna go on the free section. Once you go on the free section, there will be products within a 5 to 10 mile radius. Get these products within your 5 to 10 mile radius. Whether you have a car, if you don't have a car, tell them to come to you. Negotiate somehow, some way to get that product in your hand. Once you have the product in your hand, you have the item. Let's say you go to them. They're 5 to 10 miles away. They could be a walk across the street. They could be next door. You never know. But just go get some kind of product, some kind of good. Good. I suggest an electronic or something else of value if you know it's of value and that you could sell it real quick. That's up to you to kind of like figure out. If you really just straight up don't know, go on Google. Google will tell you the most popular stuff. And 9 times out of 10, that's electronics. But off rip, you're probably gonna see that there's like a lots of couches and lots of stuff. So it's gonna be a good little second until you find that perfect product. But go find that perfect product. Once you go and find that perfect product, you're gonna have that product, and you're gonna take that exact product and you're gonna sell it. You're gonna go on Facebook Marketplace. You're gonna go on Lego. You're gonna go on Craigslist. You're gonna go on all of these platforms that I just said to get the free product. And you're gonna literally post the exact same product, except for this time, money. Wow, this is why we're here, right? Right. Let's say I have this notebook. I got this notebook for free. I feel as if it's a valuable notebook. I'm gonna sell it for $20. I'm ripping people off, but I'm gonna sell it for $20. People call it scamming. I'm kidding, but my suggestion is half the price of the product. I actually got this camera for $25. This is a very crappy. It's pretty good. This is actually pretty good. I think it's like a $300-400 camera, but it's pretty good for what I need. What is it? I bought it from Facebook Marketplace for $25. $25. Now, if I wanted to, I could sell this product for a quarter of the cost, which is like $100, maybe $150. I could sell this product. Is this thing still on? Yes, it is. I could sell this product for like $100 if I wanted to. That's just if I wanted to, and get like $100, $150. Now I take that $100 if I was doing this off rip, trying to get to $1,000, $2,000 a month off rip. Now I take this exact camera product. If I got a camera, this is what I'm doing right now. I'm taking a camera and putting out content. Once you put out content, I don't know why the world just speaks to you when they know who you are. The world just like, if you post something that you're doing something, people will hop on that thing. If you have eyes, whether it be Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, whatever, if you have eyes doing something in some sort of way and people view whatever you're doing, you have the money right there. Your network is your net worth. That's a quote from whoever, but your network is your net worth. If you have eyes in some sort of way, somehow, you have a product, all you gotta do is make one or find one. I don't care what it is. You can start a clothing brand. That's what I'm doing right now. Once you have eyes, then you can post all this other stuff. Or you can leverage other people's audience. But I'm not going to talk about this all in one video. I'm going to keep it very short, simple, sweet, and I want you guys to come back next week and take another piece of the little pie. When you take another little piece of the pie, I promise you, if you do this right, within 3, 4, 5, 6 months, you should have at least $1,000 to $2,000 saved up. Monthly saved up. Once you guys get this thing going, then if you really want to push on this thing, you can start making more than your parents, because I know your parents probably only making like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7K. If you're serious about this, but I'm not promising the 7K just off of selling. I'm promising like maybe 1K a month from selling. If you're really, I'm telling you guys, if you're like pushing this thing, you could make $1,000 a month. Because I have personally. I will not market something that I haven't done. I just won't do it. That's my one suggestion. My one suggestion is Craigslist, quick, sell it. That's my one advice for how to get advice. For how to get money. This is the first advice for the week. This is the first advice that I'm going to give you. Yeah, this is if you're starting off of nothing. Starting from nothing. I don't know what to call this video. Should I call it starting from nothing? Maybe. I might need to. There's another app that you can get called Tasker. I'm trying to check how much time I have because I got a lot to do. Woo! Yes, it's still recording. Called Tasker. Oh, I only have like 45 seconds. I do. There's another app called Tasker. Get this app called Tasker. It's like $25. Once you have $25 from selling some sort of product that's of value for like $25, I don't care what it is. It's like a $25 sign up process for people to like check your ID and stuff. But once you get this app called Tasker, you can get it and use it. That's the end of the video because I only have 45 seconds and 24 seconds. But it's good to meet you. My name is Corey. I'm a cool guy. I'm an introvert. Not at all, but I'll catch you. Deuces. Have fun. Life is cool. Know that.